Alright, so we're about to get started with a cold ass workout session. Yeah, I can cuss a little bit because y'all of age. You should know better. And you'd be probably hitting some herb too. And I'm gonna hit some right now. So we're finna go ahead and get started on the legs, man. You gotta hit them legs, man. That's what keep you walking, running, jogging, and doing all these good things, alright? So we're gonna hit every part of the leg, the calf. We're gonna do the quads, and we're gonna do the hammies and the glutes. So come on and let's go get it in. Yo, peace. That concludes the workout for the leg game. I'm talking about we did the squats. I didn't show y'all the calves, but they pretty much got worked out too. Y'all got to join me on a journey for the calves, man. We're gonna go find them calves, man. We're gonna get them. So yeah, stay tuned. We got more workout tips for you, health tips, you know what I'm saying, athletic tips as well. Alright, so this ain't all about just building your muscles up. You gotta get the overall health, the kidneys running, the functioning, everything doing what they gotta be doing. Alright, so fruits, berries, and melons, and I get back up with you later.